Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIETS Summer School. I am Belal, assistant teacher of mathematics of National Ideal University School, Deshi. Student, our topic today exercise 1.1 question number 26. Lesson number 6. Okay, let us at first read the question. A equal x such that x belongs to R and x square minus a plus b into x plus ab equals 0. This is the stem. And also given b equal to 1, 2, c equal to 2, 4, 5. This is the elements of b set and this is the elements of c set. Now question. One number. Find out the elements of the set A. Number 2. Show that P of, that means this is called power set. Power set of B intersection C equals power set of B intersection power set of C. 3 number. Prove that A cross B union C equals A cross B union A cross C. Okay, at first I will solve one number question. Look, given A equals x such that x belongs to R and x square minus a plus b into x plus ab. We have to determine the elements of the set A. Right, x such that x belongs to R and x square minus ax minus bx plus ab equal 0. X such that x belongs to R and take common x minus a, b x minus plus minus a equals 0. Similarly, x such that and x minus a is the common take here and x minus b equals 0. X minus a into x minus a is the common, so it write at first this factor and the remaining x and b you write as a product form, so written here x minus b and this equals 0. Or x belongs to R and this equals x equals a, x equals b. Therefore write the elements of the set A is A, comma B. This is the solution for a number of questions. Okay. Now I will solve two numbers. You see, two number question is show that P of B intersection C equals power set of B intersection power set of C. Okay? Right. Given that B equals 1, 2, C equals 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. Right here we have to show that power set of B intersection C equals power set of B intersection power set of C. Here B intersection C equals what? B means 1, 2, intersection C means 2, 4, 5. We know intersection means the common elements. Okay? So between this set and this set, 2 is the common. So right here 2. Now power set of B. Power set of B. Look here, the elements of B set is 1, 2. How can we determine the power set of B? Look, if I write 2, then look, how many number of elements here? For B set, number of elements here 1, 2. So write here 2 as a power of 2. So 2 power 2, this equals 2 into 2 is equal to what? 4. That means number of subset will be 4 for the B set. This is called the power set of B. Look, so write here at first 1, then 2, then 1, 2, then the whole set. Okay, that means the power set of B equals 1, 2, 1, 2 and whole set. Okay. Similarly, determine power set of C. You see, the number of elements of C set is 2, 4, 5. So, you know, 2 power n, that means 2 power 3 is equals to what? 8. Therefore, number of subset will be 8. So, right here 2, then 4, then 5, then 2, 4, then 2, 5, and 4, 5. Look student, 2, then 4, then 5, then 2, 4, then 2, 5, then 4, 5, and 2, 4, 5, short set or blank set. Look, then how many elements of power set C? Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, look, at first I have taken 2, then 4, then 5, then 2, 4, then 2, 5, then 4, 5, then 2, 4, 5, and then 4 set. Now, left hand side. Left hand side. Left hand side equals power set of B intersection C. Look, B intersection C equals B intersection C equals 2. So, how many power set of P of B intersection C? 2 and the blank set all. Because here elements is what? 1. Oh, look, 2 power 1, that means 2. So number of subset will be 2 and blank set only. Now, right hand side. Right hand side. So right hand side is all set of B intersection or set of C. Student, carefully look here. This is the power set of B and this is the power set of C. Intersection means common set or common elements. So which one is the common elements? You see, 1, there is no 1 here. 2, look here, 2 here is also 2. That means here the elements 2 and 2 is the common set. And see, 1, 2, there is no 1, 2. Similarly, whole set here is also a set. So we can write here 2 and the blank set 2. Okay, that means we have to show here the left hand side is equal right hand side. So we now write left hand side equals right hand side right here. Good. Okay, student, and this is your the reverse solution of question number 2. I hope you understood. Now I will solve question number 3. Prove that A cross B union C equals A cross B union A cross C. Student, already we have got from the 1 number questions the A equals A B. Okay? Right here given that B equals 1, 2, C equals 2, 4, 5, and from 1 we got A equals A and B. Now we have to prove that A cross B union C equals A cross B union A cross C. Now write left hand side A cross B union C. A set means AB cross B union C. That means which one is the common set? You see, this is the B set and this is the C set. So which one is the common set? Sorry, this is the union set. Okay, B union set. Union set means common, uncommon, all. Okay, you see here B union C. B union C means common, uncommon, all. That means look here. For the set B is 1, 2 and the C set is 2, 4, 5. So take now 1, then 2, then 4, then 5. Okay, that means B union C equals 1, 2, 4, 5. You see here 2 and 2 here comes, so we have to take in here only 1. Now we have to use here the cross product or cross multiplication. Like this way, A1, then A2, then A4, then A5. A1, A2, A4, then A5. Similarly, B1, B2, B4, B5. Friends, this is called cross product. Write like this way, A1, that means write here side by side. Okay, and between A and 1, we give comma sign. A1, then A2, then A4, then A5. Okay, don't write like this way. A into 1, that means A. Don't write like this way. Then what? Look for B, B1, then B2, B4, and B5. Now right here, right hand side. Look here, right hand side, A cross B union A cross C. A means what? A means AB, right here AB cross B set means 1, 2. Union A cross C, A means AB cross C, C means 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. Now look here, A means AB cross cross, B means 1, 2, union, A means AB cross cross, C means 2, 4, 5. Now we have to use cross multiplication. A1, similarly A1, then A2, similarly B1, then B2. Union set is A2, then A4, then A5. Similarly, B2, B4, B5. Return loop A1 A1, A2, then A4, then A5, then B2, B4 and B5. And here is also A1, A2, B1, B2. Union set. Now we have to use here the union set, that means common, uncommon, all. Okay, if there is more common, then you have to take here only one thing. Now see A1, right here A1, then A2, then A4, right here A4, then A5, right here A5, then B1, B2, B1, B2, B4, B5. This will look here A1, A2, A1, A2. I have taken these two A1, A2. Then here is A1, A2. So I have taken here only one thing. Then A4, A5, A4, A5. Similarly, B1, B2. Then B4, B4, B5, B5. Look here. Here is also B2 and here is also B2. So I have taken here only one thing. You can also easily understand that left hand side and right hand side are also equal. You say A1, then A2, then A4, then A5, B1, B2, B4 and B4. Now right here, left hand side equals right hand side is equal to. Okay students, I hope you understood today's topic. You have to keep practicing at home. Okay students, stay safe, stay well, see you well.